Hello everyone, it's Byron and Carrie, and we're here on Spring Street in Alderson, West Virginia, and we're going to show you around this 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home that sits on 50 acres and is listed for $575,000 currently. I will take the camera from Byron. We'll show you the neighborhood. One nice feature about this home is, tell them, Byron.
Comes with a lot of acreage.
Yes.
Right in front of us, there's 2 lots that you could either sell or build on. And then over there are 2 lots as well.
Nice large yard. You're really close to Alderson downtown. Lots of space for privacy, which is nice, or additional space to build on. So we're gonna walk around back first and go in the way that you would live here. You would welcome guests through that front door, but we're gonna go act like you've already purchased it. Has nice white siding there, mature bushes. And they have several outbuildings, both here near the home and then also near the farm area. So the owner used to be a dairy farmer. So here's one of the many outbuildings, and you can see the land goes back. It connects at Blue Sulphur Pike, and it's also borders Muddy Creek, the creek. So you have some nice acreage as well as natural water source. Carport there. We're gonna come in through the back door. Yes. And we are locked out. I'll come over here. All right. I think Byron has got us in. So we're gonna head on in. Look at this pretty green door here. So this is the mudroom area. There's a coat closet over here. I'm gonna go up these steps. It does have wood floors and nice ceiling height here on the first level. So this would be your den space, your informal living area. Has really nice wood built-ins there. And then you walk straight into the kitchen, but I'm gonna turn around and show you this space first. So this is the casual dining area. Again, lots of nice, good storage, nice natural light here that overlooks the back of the property. And then it has this beautiful bookcase here. And we're gonna spin around into the kitchen. So it has painted wood cabinetry, laminate style countertops that are like a burnt red color. It matches the wallpaper in the dining area. And this, oh, Byron, tell him.
Yes. Carrie informed me this was a flour maker, but I suspected it was.
Yes.
I got it right.
Put your flour in there so you can bake your homemade bread. And then it does have this painted wood paneling in here. It's the thick natural wood. Laundry is right here as you enter into the primary bedroom on the lower level. So this does have a seating area off the back there. And it has wood flooring in here. They have just large carpet laid down on there, acoustical style ceiling tile. And that's about a queen size bed for reference sake. And then this bedroom has a half bath. So pedestal sink and the facilities there. And wood floor in here as well. Let you see back this way. Has very nice flow between these 3 rooms here. So we're gonna come in this way, I guess. We'll go upstairs in a minute. This is the formal dining room. It has a wallpaper, which I'll give you an up close view of. And then that door leads down to the basement. It's used for utilities. It's unfinished. So this is the formal living room area. It's painted, it has a nice fireplace, nice built-in bookshelves. Again, nice tall ceilings and windows. And then where we first started is that door right there. So that would be the formal way of welcoming your guest. And we'll come through here. And this is the full bath on the first level. Has those retro blue sinks there. And it was converted to a stand-up shower, as you can see. And then another bedroom. Here, this is at the front. It does have carpet. Nice large closet space. And it overlooks the side yard. There's the most beautiful bright colored blue bird out the window right now. Then we're gonna go downstairs. This can be accessed from the outside as well, from the front yard. And this is the finished lower level. It's paneled, painted paneling. You are below grade here. And this is the rec room, or back in the day might have been called the rumpus room, if you remember that. Is that really cool? Look at the suspended fireplace here. Neat feature. That's a brick. Good spot if you needed a home office that you didn't want in the other space. It still has nice natural light, even though you're technically standing below grade there, as you can see. Playroom, craft room, lots of options down here. I would say with the ceiling height, you likely wouldn't be able to do like a gym, because you wouldn't be able to fully extend if you're taller. Okay, so now we are gonna go upstairs to see the remaining 2 bedrooms and 1 bath. The stair treads are carpeted here, but there is wood underneath them. And the wallpaper from the living room follows it up. Maybe we'll find Byron. Oh, he's behind me. So here's bedroom number 1 on the upper level. And then the bathroom does have gables and this cool clawfoot tub.
This is
an even cooler wallpaper.
This is a cozy bath.
It is.
I would love to take a bath in that one. Just low ceilings. It's
yeah.
Place for a cocktail.
Byron's moving in.
I'm moving in.
All right, we're gonna see the other bedroom. This bedroom has carpeted floors. That's a double-sized bed, and then it has these ancillary rooms. A closet on one side, and then over here, instead of the bathroom like you have in the other one, this has a seating room, playroom. Again, could be used for a home office, however you need it.
I just really love all the different sized rooms, the different ceiling heights. You get a different experience in every room you go to.
Yes, I totally agree.
Yeah.
All right. Well, if you'd like this beautiful home on 50+ acres to be yours, give us a call.
See you guys.
Bye.